bit windy today. Just trying to get this right. So of course they love the noise, don't they? Okay, I might put on the noise cancelling. Okay, so just trying this out with the camera on the front of the one of the baskets, the white basket, and see how that works. See what we get from that. Just want to make sure we don't get too much ground. So I'll lift it up a bit. We'll try that and see how that goes. Right. Okay. Right, get my mirrors right. No, I'm not getting this right today. It doesn't make sense. Very important then. Have that vision. Okay. Alright, try and get this level. Okay. Come follow me, let's ride. Alright, so there's a bit of a wind about. I'm not sure that camera's straight, but let's see. Okay. So I got the noise cancelling on because of the wind. And I got the camera on the front of the basket just to experiment on what sort of view that gives. I'm very careful I don't want too much of the road. Just be seeing road all the time. You don't want to see road all the time. Okay, so for this big boy to go and get to my side and I'll be alright. Should be alright. Okay. As it turns red. That's no good. No, better watch that. Okay. smell that food. Beautiful. Nando's. And all these other little bits of restaurants. Very nice. What have we got? We've got the Jungle Below, the Desert Bar, the Blue Marlin, Mrs. Park's Kitchen, Purgatory, Angie's Dumplings, Roger, Zuya, Plenty Tea. Alright, gotta watch what's going on here. Okay, we're good to go. The weather's quite pleasant. I think it's around about 23 degrees, although there is a bit of a breeze and there's a little bit of coolness in that breeze. It's forecast to rain later on tonight, about 9 o'clock they said. Now the time now is nearly 10 past 5 p.m. Okay. We're at a steady pace, or we were at a steady pace. Starting to get a bit of an incline now, a bit of a hill. It's not much, but still. I only pretty much most of the time go on the first number one on the battery power. If I press number 2, then it'll give me a bit more assistance going up the hill. Because without the battery on, it's a bit harder than the normal push bike. You need a bit more strength. Okay, that's going, that's fine now, that's good. This makes it easier. Drop it back to one. Watch the traffic. And away we go. Okay. There you got the soccer grounds over there. And there's people playing cricket. Look at that, the big black van, beautiful. Plenty of space in there, the big Ford van. Brookside Village. Okay. Just really trying out the Boya mic again and different placing for the GoPro, just to learn, that's all. Learn what does and doesn't work. So far a lot hasn't worked. Some things do. Okay, getting the stability. For me, being just a novice, it's just getting the stability of the filming. Okay. Whack is whack. Okay, beautiful whack. Strong colour. Now. Okay, we're up on the corner of Caroline Springs at Ballarat Road. Alright. This is the prime guy. And it's on. See Miranda Light. You're working hard. Alright. Now, get into here, and that'll do us.